Folks, when it comes to healing, you want to get your kidneys filtering. And the key when it comes to healing is how much you eliminate. Okay, that's the key. How much can you eliminate? How much acid can you eliminate from the body? How much obstruction can you remove from the body? Because the key to health is vitality. The key to vitality, is how little obstruction you have and how much energy you have. When the obstruction is minimal or zero, and energy is high, you're going to have excellent health. Okay, obstruction is the food you eat that create pus and mucoid plaque and prevent digestion. These are the meat products, animal products in general, cooked starches. They cause the issues. You want to minimize that. And also the amount of food you eat is also obstruction. If you're eating every hour, every 2 hours, this can cause obstruction because you're not giving the body a chance to digest and eliminate. Elimination is the key to health. You eat from food, you digest it, you eliminate. If you don't eliminate past 24, 36 hours, the food ferments and begins to breed bacteria and ferments and creates pus. Okay, so always get your kidneys filtered so you can eliminate the acids. Get your colon clean so all the digestive waste comes out. You have to stay light. That's the key to health. Okay, folks, it's that simple. You don't need anything else. Eat fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or as much as you can. If you can't eat fruits all day, have at least dinner, have a salad. But keep going on this way for a while, and you see your body start cleaning up. You start losing weight, hair start growing, skin start glowing. It's that simple, folks. Don't make it complicated at all. Health is very simple. Nature made it simple for us. We have complicated it. You don't need any fancy diet or any fancy program or anything like that. It's simple fruits. Fruits were designed for man to eat. When we eat foods that are not designed for us, you suffer. So I hope this helped you. There's more of it coming your way.